Are you a woman over 40 years old who struggles to lose weight? Do you feel like no matter what you do, losing weight becomes harder and harder with each year that goes by? If so, make sure you pay attention to this quick video because inside you're going to discover the best ways for women over 40 to lose weight fast. Before we get started, if you want to discover 15 so-called health foods that wreak havoc on the female metabolism and cause you to rapidly store belly fat, and what to eat instead to become a fat-burning machine, click the link in the description below to download your free copy of the 15 Fat Storing Foods Report. Or go to femalefabringsecrets.com/15foods. Best way to lose weight for women over 40. 1. Increase your protein intake. Protein has a higher thermic effect than carbohydrates and fat, which means you burn more calories digesting it, and also helps you to feel full and satisfied sooner. Protein is also the main building block for building lean muscle, and the amount of lean muscle you carry is one of the main factors contributing to the speed of your metabolism. Increase your protein intake by eating eggs, grass-fed beef, bacon and high-quality, organic protein shakes. Go to femalefabringsecrets.com/breakfast-protein, or click the link in the description below to discover the highest quality, fat-burning breakfast protein. 2. Eat more fiber with carbohydrates. When eating carbohydrates, make sure that almost all of your intake comes from foods that are also high in fiber such as vegetables, fruits and high-fiber unrefined grains. The reason for this is that the fiber acts as a buffer and slows down the rate at which the carbohydrates enter the bloodstream, which means that there will be a smaller insulin response to the carbs, which results in increased access to stored body fat to be used for energy. A good rule of thumb is to shoot for foods that have 2 to 3 grams of fiber for every 10 grams of carbohydrates. This will help you to feel full and satisfied sooner, while also slowing down the glycemic response to the carbs you eat, which are all beneficial for fat burning. 3. Eat more fat. Many women when trying to lose weight try to limit fat intake, thinking that the less fat they eat the less fat they will store. In reality, this is the complete opposite of how fat burning works. By heavily restricting levels of fat, you risk down-regulating hormones that are responsible for metabolism and fat burning, as well as increasing hunger and sugar cravings. Start incorporating more beneficial fats in your diet by eating more nuts, butter, olive oil, eggs, grass-fed and organic meats and coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the absolute best fats you can eat for fat burning and overall health. To discover the best ways to incorporate coconut oil into your diet, as well as its many health benefits, go to femalefabringsecrets.com/coconut-oil, or click the link in the description below. 4. Avoid these two foods at all costs. If your goal is to burn away belly fat and slim down, make sure you avoid trans fats and high fructose corn syrup at all costs. These fats and sugars are found in lots of processed junk foods, as well as cheap cooking oils and margarine, and have been proven to cause devastating damage to your heart, increase fat storage drastically and increase your risk of diabetes and other life-threatening diseases. The safest way to avoid these two fat-storing ingredients is to stay away from processed foods as much as possible. What was the biggest takeaway you learned from this video? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget, if you want to discover 15 so-called health foods that wreak havoc on the female metabolism and cause you to rapidly store belly fat, and what to eat instead to become a fat-burning machine, click the link in the description below to download your free copy of the 15 Fat Storing Foods Report valued at $19.95. Or go to femalefabringsecrets.com/15foods.